Welcome to this video, Soundclass Academy. Today we're going to be covering the introduction to MetaSuite, Ad Manager, and the features on both platforms and how you can use it to grow and scale your business as an entrepreneur and also as a digital marketer. So basically, before you get into your MetaSuite or your Ad Manager, there is a platform you have to go and log in, and that platform is your Facebook. So when you have a Facebook account, you would have to create a Facebook page inside your Facebook account. Then when you have done that, as you can see, I've created a new Facebook page. You go to MetaSuite from there. So when you click on that, you should get to a page where you see MetaSuite like this. So with that being said, you see something like this, MetaSuite. But since you're just creating a new Facebook page, you would have to connect your Instagram and your Facebook. So you should see connect here, but I have done that already. It's a simple process. You just see connect and you click and you go to the next place to connect your Facebook and your Instagram together. So now let me take you through the MetaSuite, then I'll take you through the Ad Manager, then we can move over to the next tutorial. That sounds nice, right? Okay, now on your MetaSuite, you have what they call Ad Manager, a link to where you do advanced and more strategic campaigns, right? But I'm not going to do that in this video. Then we have your notifications, where you receive notifications from both Instagram and Facebook together. Then you have the inbox, where you can control your inbox from Instagram, WhatsApp, and every other social media that Meta has access to. So you see that shortly with even your comment here. So for social media managers, the best place to go to is your Ad Manager. You see the messages, comments, and every other thing here, right? So then you have your content, right, where you see all the content you have shared, posted, and like all the things you have posted, promoted. You can see here on story you have A/B tests. A/B test is when you're comparing two posts together, right? You have the feed and grid, what you are posting on your feed, what you're posting on your grid, right? So you can see the arrangement on both Facebook and Instagram. You can see your mentions and tags here on MetaSuite. So the MetaSuite has everything. It has everything you need to control your account. Literally, you have the clips, you have the content you shared, everything. I mean everything. So where you can run campaigns. Basically, when you are on Instagram, you're using a business account, you see this boost button. This is the boost in the back end, right, on MetaSuite. So this is the boost. This is not for an advertiser, a professional advertiser. Because this is very limited. You can barely do anything strategic here, right? So, but I'm still going to talk about it and how you use it. Then we have the insights. Insights is where you see everything about your content, about everything you've done, how much you've grown, your plans, how you've implemented your plans, how you've achieved your goals, the results you've gotten, the views. Then you have audience. Then you have the messages. All these things here are just to give you more details about your account, basically. So if you're just starting, you might not need to master and cram everything. As you can see, I'm literally teaching you from my head. There's no need for script for this, because it's what you need to apply and what you need to know, literally. So after that, you have the all tools, where you see more tools on the platform, right? Where you see your apps, your billings, your integrations, your protections, your support, your file manager, your store locations, your WhatsApp manager, every other thing. And yes, calm down. You're not going to use everything. It's not complex at all. Basically, I would share in the videos coming up, you would see that you don't literally have to master and cram every of these things, right? Because you don't need everything actually to succeed. So we are going to talk about and learn about everything required for you, right? Then we have the settings. So in your settings, you can add people to the account, how people can join, people can be an admin, right? You can add systems, you can add other pages, you can add your other Instagram accounts, you can add your WhatsApp application, you can add your data source, requests, brand safety, integrations, meta verified, everything, like literally everything required, right? So it's a very simple platform. So with that being said, let's quickly go to the next platform, which is the ad manager. So the ad manager, when you open it for the first time, you should see this. You should see the campaign verification, right? If you're just opening your ad manager for the first time, they will ask you to verify, confirm, and yeah, we've not done any ad here, so you can see I had to also do the confirmation. So you have to do confirmation, you have to verify that you are a human being actually. Then you fund the accounts. You can see my ad here is 0 naira. In the process of this course, I'm going to teach you how to fund your account. Yes, I'm literally going to teach you everything for free, literally. And that's why you need to subscribe to SoundClass Academy, where you learn about digital marketing as a whole, online and performance marketing. So hit the subscribe button and don't just go and leave. So let's go back to the video. But you've hit the subscribe button? Okay, that's good. If you haven't, do it now. So talking about the videos, you have the ad manager. This is your ad manager. This is where the real campaigns happen. A lot of ad structure here. So on the campaign side, you see your campaign, you see your ad assets. So they always ask you if you are affiliated to any politician, because you can still use Meta ad for political reasons, but I am not affiliated to any politician, so I'm just doing this for a course. So we have the campaign level. Campaign level is the umbrella covering all your ad assets. So then you have ad asset level. Ad assets, they are under the campaign. So you can have like 100, you can have up to 20 ad assets under one campaign, and that's how crazy. Now inside your ad assets, you can have up to 6 different ads, and that's why there's campaign, ad assets, and ads. So it's an umbrella. So you can, now with that being said, you can have one campaign, 20 ads. Inside the 20 ads, there's 20 ad assets. You can have 6 different ads, and with that, you're already scaling and building your business. Don't worry, don't calm down, don't rush. I'm going to definitely teach you how to use what I just said. Then we have the report, how to get reports when you want to submit a detailed report to your clients, your manager, to your stakeholders. You'll get reports from the MetaSuite account. Then you have the audience, where we're definitely going to spend a lot of time, because after the offer, the most important thing to know it's your audience. Like having the right audience, reaching out to the right audience is as important as your campaign, right? So we're going to spend a lot of time creating audience, generating audience, creating cold and warm audience, and everything. So just calm down and enjoy the process. If you have learned about every of these things, I would advise you just keep to the next video, where we did an introduction to the ad manager and how to set up your first target audience. So then we have billings and payments. So you can pay in naira, dollar, yen, euros, pounds. So we're going to create different ad accounts, right, for the same business. So and I'll show you how to do all of that. Then we have event manager. This would help you track your business. It will help you track your website, actually integrating your Shopify into this. I would also create a video for that. So it's a whole lot, but don't be overwhelmed. It's going to be a very interesting course, and every other tool required. So for now, I want you to just think back, sit back, because you have started and you are obviously going to finish everything you have started. So see you guys in the next video while you get ready to set up your first ad. For now, bye.